Hey, what's up, Divas? It's your girl, Chondra, and welcome to part one of my series. I'm super excited for you guys to see this. I know you guys ask a lot of questions about like, how do I do my hair? What am I doing to my hair? You ask me makeup questions. And then honestly, I just tossed in a little bit of skincare too. So you're going to get to see all that in this series. But for now, welcome to part one. Part one is going to be how I clean and prep my hair whenever I do my washing. I'm so excited to tell you guys all this. I hope you enjoy it. Go ahead and go watch it. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back with freshly rinsed hair. As you guys can see, I got the water droplets going on. This is my natural hair, completely fresh out the shower and rinsed. As you guys can tell, I do have my hair parted down the middle, and it's not all the way parted in the back. I didn't need to part that, but I went ahead and had like a part. This is how my hair naturally falls. So I just cleaned up that part down the middle so I could do the space buns. I'm gonna fix the back part of it in just a second, but this is my hair completely wet and fresh out the shower. This is the all around view of it. This is her, no products at all. I shampoo my hair twice, and I shampoo it with the same brand of shampoo, but there's two different lines. So the first one I generally use is gonna be the Texture ID. Let's get it back. This is the Texture ID Curl Clarifying Shampoo. This one is one line, and then the other one is a different line. So this one can be used for all hair types 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have type 4 hair, so this one is also really good for that. It's just really good at cleaning your scalp. It's from Texture ID as well. I have to scoot back so you guys can kind of see it, but this is it. This one is for coils. It's a detangling shampoo because, of course, the coilier your hair is, the easier it is for it to get tangled and for you to get those knots and stuff like that. So I use this. This one is good at lifting any debris and dirt, and then this one is good for shampooing and then detangling at the same time. Love that. The conditioner that I use is the same line. It's going to be the Texture ID Coils, and this one is the Detangling Conditioner, same line as the other one, the yellow bottle. That's the ones that I use. They work really well for me. And I can show you my deep conditioner. Sometimes I just grab a deep conditioner from like my beauty supply store, and I just grab whatever I feel like my hair is really needing at the moment. So this time, the last time I got a deep conditioner was this one. This one is the Mayo. This is the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. It's infused with biotin and it encourages hair growth. This is what it looks like. It's really, really good. I absolutely love this one. It made my scalp feel tingly, and I feel like it really like let my hair feel moisturized. Like whenever I took my hair out the shower cap and the wrap and I rinsed my hair, I could tell like my curls just felt happy and healthy. Product that I'm gonna use for styling my hair, making sure that it gets moisturized, like on top of, like I have water in my hair right now. Water is a great moisturizer, but also like so is things like this. So I'm gonna use this as I am. This is gonna be the Beautiful Coils and Curls line. This is for type 3 and type 4. This one is supposed to reduce tangles, combing damage, therefore strengthening hair for longer hair lengths. And I definitely love using this one. I feel like it makes my hair very moisturized. I notice I get less tangles when I use this line. And then I also have this one. It's the same brand, same line. This one is just the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So I use this one. I'll use a detangling brush through the ends of my hair to kind of go ahead and make sure my curls are hydrated and popping. And I can show you guys, this is the comb that I use. It's just like a cute little fine tooth rat tail comb that I use to part my hair. And then I also am gonna use this edge gel for, it's not even a gel, it's more like an edge controller. I use it, it smells really good, and it's really good to use. I don't know if you guys have heard of the Arcani Coil Care, but I use that to like slick or lay my baby hairs and my edges down so that they look great, and it gives really good shine. I really like it. And then I'm also gonna use the Got to Be Glued. This one lays my edges and they don't go anywhere, and then I just wash it off at nighttime so that way my hair line doesn't break out or that my hair doesn't get messed up. Also, I am going to be using the Main Choice. I see a lot of different products in this. I'm so sorry. But this is the Main Choice. I use this oil, the Alpha, aka Multivitamin Scalp Growth Oil. I use this one to seal in any products that I use so that my hair keeps that moisture. And I also put it on my scalp. So I guess that's the first thing I could do is go ahead and show you how I put it on my scalp. And hopefully this is not a long video, but I'm just literally just going to put it like this down the middle. And then like put it in here a little bit too. So that is what I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna let that sit in here. I'm gonna kind of like rub it in a little bit. So this is how my hair is looking. Now I'm about to make sure that my part is lined up, and you guys are going to see me literally style my hair from beginning to end. Just making sure my part is straight back here. And I'm looking in my mirror, this right here. I don't have like a lot of space in here to put my entire ring light in here. So we're just gonna make it work. So I think that my hair is straight. I hope this part is straight. If not, you know what? It's fine. If it's not straight, it's just gonna have to do what it does. Okay, so how I normally do my hair, I do it in sections and in parts. So I'm just gonna put that up in a section, and then I'm just going to make sure that I feel like this line is straight. This is like literally what I have to do to my head. It's a process. I think I'm gonna go ask my mom if this is straight. I need help, I can't see in the back, so I'll be back in like a little bit. All right, you guys, I'm back. I have put that product in my hair on both sides. It is that leave-in conditioner, the curling enhancing cream, and then a little bit of that hair growth oil so that my scalp is moisturized, and then also so that my ends are moisturized and it locks in the moisture in my hair. I am about to detangle my hair a little bit, not even necessarily detangle because I already detangled it when I washed it and deep conditioned it the other day. But I am about to just run the detangling brush through it one more time towards the ends and the roots a little bit so that I can get a smooth space bun. I can show you guys the brush that I use. I use this Easy Detangler. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this one, but this one literally glides right through my hair. I absolutely love it. I'm literally just going to comb through and detangle through the puffs that I have going on right here. So I'm gonna take this one down, take it down gently, boom. And now I'm just gonna grab it and I'm gonna start combing or brushing at the ends. And I'm just gonna continue to do that like through my entire, like all of my hair. All right, now this section of my hair is detangled and brushed out. I'm literally just going to take it and hold it like this. Okay, so I like this. I like how smooth it is. It's easy for me to push it up into a ponytail without there being any lumps or bumps. I'm gonna go ahead and put this ponytail holder back in my hair just to hold it. And then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna actually do what I need to do with it. So now I am going to go in with my edge controller. So I'm just gonna take a good little amount. And I know this seems like a lot, but it's really not. I just take it and then I'm gonna brush it off, pull it off my fingers. I always do it on the back of my nails so that I don't get any product underneath my nails. And I'm just gonna do this, kind of spread it out along my fingers. And as you can see, it's got some shine going on already. I'm gonna do the sides and the back too. I just want my hair to be really smooth and sleek. That's the first step. And I know it don't look like anything yet, but I promise when I get done, it's gonna look like something. So I'm just gonna grab some more and I'm gonna put it on the upper part of my hair as well. So like right in here. All right. Now I have that product everywhere on my head, on the sides of, and in the part area so that my parts are sleek too. Now it is time to take a brush and brush it. I just use this little Straight Talk brush. This is what it looks like, just a regular type of thicker brush. And I'm gonna brush my edges and brush that product in. And then I'm also gonna leave a little bit of my baby hairs out so that I can style those afterwards. So now I'm gonna take this little hair tie out because I need it to be gone so I can do what I need to do. I'm just brushing to make sure that my hair is completely smooth. And I'm brushing it the way that I want my space buns to go. And literally doing my hair like this, it'll last all week. And that is the goal, is to not have to do my hair too much during the week. It saves me time getting out the door. And then also it saves me like manipulating my hair 24/7. But yeah, I'm just gonna take a hair tie, the ones that don't have like the metal parts on it, and I'm gonna put it around my hair a couple of times. And I promise it looks like it's tight, but it's really not that tight. I'm not damaging my hair any or anything like that. So then that's where I'm gonna pull on this just a little bit to make sure that it's tight all the way around. And also whenever I tie a scarf around my edges, it'll make sure that it lays flat like I want it to. So now that I have my hair like this, I'm literally just gonna take it and I'm gonna brush out the ponytail part, the little puff. So now that I have it like this, I'm literally just gonna take it and I'm gonna twist it, and I'm gonna twist around the hair tie. Now I have a cute little space bun. I'm going to take a bobby pin and I'm going to put a pin in it right where my hair is wrapped around at. I'm gonna push it in there. I'm definitely gonna lay my edges down, and when I lay my hair down, it will be 10 times smoother and it'll be a lot more uniform too. So this is the beginning portion of my space buns. I got a cute little space bun going here. I have my hair left out some right here so that I can have some baby hairs or do my edges. There we go. And I'm gonna come back in and put like put the got to be glued on my edges so that it does not go anywhere. And I promise y'all, I'm not perfect at this. I literally just do what works for me, and I know that's not gonna jack my hair up. And that is it. So I'm gonna come back to you guys later after I've done both sides already. Okay, I am finally back. My space buns are situated. They're not 100% like lined up and even, but like this is the best that I could do. As you guys can see, I do have some curls hanging out. I like to leave a little bit of curls hanging out to give me a little bit of something different. I am going to go ahead and put some of that curling cream on here, and just so that they are moisturized and that the curls stay popping. And then once I do that, I just take my finger and I do like a little bit of like I'm doing a finger coil, and I pull down and then boom. And I'm gonna do that a couple of times so I can make sure that my roots are nice and coily instead of frizzy. Now the real task is tying down my hair. I am going to use this scarf to tie down my hair. Hopefully it will help lay down any flyaways that I have. If not, then I'm gonna have to do some tweaking, but this should help me. So I'm just gonna take this scarf, it's folded in half. I'm going to do it this way and put it on from the front so that it lays down smoothly. And then I'm going to make sure that well, actually I'll leave the whole thing covered. I'm gonna take it, wrap it around, do it like this, and then kind of open up the back portion of it so that it's open enough to where it will lay down the back part of my hair too. So then I just tie it secured and making sure that it's on the parts of my hair that need to be laid down tightly. And I'm not gonna tie it too tight because I don't want a headache, but I'm gonna tie it tight enough to where my hair is gonna be laid down. And then I'm just gonna do this smoothing motion just so I can make sure that the hair is gonna lay how I want it to lay and that I don't have any random flyaways throughout the week. And that's pretty much it. I will wear this on my hair I know I did last time, I wore it overnight, but because I'm probably going somewhere later on, I'm just gonna wear it until then. Hey you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I hope that you guys got a lot of insight on what it is that I do whenever I'm getting my hair all situated for my work week. I just had a lot of fun, and I hope you guys had fun watching it. So make sure you guys tune in For my next video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my makeup. I'm going to be prepping my skin and doing my makeup. I'm super excited, and I know y'all are going to love it. So make sure you tune in for that. I will catch you guys later.